This is how you can make scratching stick that can be safe. You need just pen that has a cap. Then you need to remove the ink and put back the tip. Oops. This is the most difficult part. Okay, then you sanitize it with a sanitizing wipe. You can sanitize everything if you want, but once you sanitize it, then you can, every time you need to scratch, you can remove the cap and use the tip and never touch this part. And that's how you can have scratching stick in case you need to scratch your some part of your face. But it's better obviously that you wash your hands, but you can have it handy in case you need to scratch often and you don't want to be washing your hands constantly. And actually you can use it also once you have washed your hands and you are not moving to different places. I think it's a good option. If you want to do it, you need constantly scratching your face somehow.